Today is Friday, September 21st, 2018, and we're experiencing rain now and high winds in Fort Huron, Michigan. And it's 2:45 p.m. Eastern Time right now. Very high winds. And Hurricane Florence, down North Carolina, South Carolina, I don't know if this is the tail end of that. You can see the rain. The clouds are, the sun was out earlier today. But now it's cloudy and raining. And I don't know if this is going to be last like for tonight or just the weekend, but we have a lot of high winds and rain right now in Fort Huron, Michigan. And it's Friday, September 21st, 2018, and it's about 10 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time right now. And this is going on to 2 minutes 15 seconds recording. Looks like the sun is going to come out right now. There's leaves on the patio. Or not leaves, yeah, green leaves. There's a lot of green leaves. Must be from the either the bushes or the shrubs. And here's the clouds coming over there south of, looking south. Seems like the wind is going in spurts. Now it's quiet. So I don't know, it's going on 3 minutes recording now, so I'm waiting for another burst of, it's been really warm today, so here's the clouds. It hasn't really stopped raining yet. It's still raining, kind of. I'm just going around the area here, panorama. And you can hear the either police or fire department sirens in the distance. There's some light coming through there at the sun. But I don't know if the sun is going to come out now or not. Or if we're going to still get rain and wind. I don't know if that's a maple tree across the street or not. I've been here since 1995, March 1995, and that tree's been there ever since, but I don't know. They've trimmed it, but I think they only trimmed it once. You can see the door here has got rain splattered on it. You can see it close up, the rain that hit it, all that rain. Okay, I'm going to sign off now. This is Joanne Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan.